In today's video, I'll be installing this BUTTA lace unit, Unit 5, in the color 1. This is a 13x1 HD lace. It goes from ear to ear and it's only parting in the middle. Inside the cap, it came with your normal adjustable straps and 3 comb pieces, 2 at the sides and 1 at the bottom. To begin with today's install, I'm cutting out her ear holes for her ball cap, and then I'm going in with my secret lace adhesive to begin laying down her ball cap. After laying down the glue, I'm going to spread the glue with a rat tail end of a comb or edge brush. Next, I'm going to take my blow dryer on a medium setting on cool to ensure that the glue is dry until it turns clear. Sometimes, like when the glue is dry, like it'll still be white. So now I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glue spray, mask all the white that may be around the perimeter of the hairline. My sister is so dramatic, I don't understand. So when I cut my ball cap, I don't cut from the band. I cut like in the middle so that after like I finished cutting from ear to ear, the band left over, like I put it back on her head, if that makes any sense. You guys are gonna see how I do it. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you know it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I'm millions. I did. The toughest act follows back on tour, off-road, made back, Pyrex. So this part I feel like is very necessary, like making sure that the ends of the wig cap is sealed, because you don't want it to like lift like while your client's wig is on. So I'm just laying that down with some lace glue. So due to the fact that her lace cap was already the color of her skin, I just tinted the lace and then just put it on her head so that the lace wasn't lighter than the cap. It blended in well. So as you can see, I was applying my glue in sections, but then like as I got to the middle towards the other side, I just started applying the glue, and I mistakenly got the glue on the lace, but that's okay because I'm gonna be cutting some of that, and also the Got To Be glue spray erases like any white lines that may have appeared. So now I'm going in with my hot comb. The hot comb that I have, it gets heated up in intervals, so from 5, 10, 15, and 20. I just used it on the number 10 setting because like I think the number 10 setting on this hot comb is at least like 140, but it gets pretty hot. So I got my hot comb on the lowest setting to flatten the roots of the wig because it was giving Humpty Dumpty in the beginning, and my sister didn't like that. She started getting discouraged, but I told her that I'm gonna fix it because that's what I do. That's what I'm supposed to do. So to cut the lace, I cut it in tabs. So I'm just starting from the middle, and I'm using an eyebrow razor to cut. So usually I would cut like all the way back, like to the hairline, but like I've learned that you're not supposed to do that because that's what gives it like that straight look, or like it takes away from like the hairline looking natural. So I stopped cutting it so far back and just cut it like almost a few centimeters or an inch from the hairline.
Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, he can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. In the dirt that they do on my name, turn to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be or couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security.
So now I'm just getting ready to do the baby hairs. I'm cutting them diagonally, and I'm gonna be honest, so doing baby hairs on a synthetic wig is kind of tricky because you can't like curl them up with the mini flat iron because synthetic hair is pretty sensitive, so too much heat and it'll burn off. So I couldn't do like what I really wanted to do. I had to play it safe and do like baby hairs the normal way, but it still came out cute. So now we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and today's install doing a synthetic wig. Beauty on a budget. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to get notified when I upload more bangers. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you on the next one.